Okay, so with that run out of Kohli, it brings us to our last topic, that is the controversial run out call today. It looked out to me, it looked out to Shane Warne and a couple of other experts too. So, but my feeling is that the kind of technology we are using in terms of frames per second in videography, so don't you feel had there been one more frame in between, it could have conclusively shown that it was out? It was just a technology gap which led to that
In
not out
fact, I
decision.
missed one game. In fact, usually even in IPL, you see a stump vision. So
Uh,
you get to know where the stump was, bails were dislodged, and then you see from stump whether the bat had actually crossed. But that was not shown today. If you see, only the two sides were shown. At
yes,
one side, it was very clear
I
that
don't
it
think
was run out.
their
The
intent.
other side had some shadow, and
yeah,
maybe just enough to give you
confused.
enough confidence to say not out.
Yeah,
Just because you are sitting as a home umpire and it's a home match, so that's why. Otherwise, it was clearly out. And a third vision, which possibly is a stump vision, was missing. Unfortunately, I mean, I felt that it will come, but it did not. And only with the two visuals, he could say that it is not out. But it is unfortunate. If
yeah,
India loses this, of course, it will be talked about.
yeah. But my point is
Uh,
that
I, I
with
think
all
that
this heavy contracts and Sony taking this broadcasting
Right.
rights at such great value, don't you think better technology needs to be used? Between the
Absolutely.
two frames, there is a huge amount of distance that the bat is covering. So shouldn't there
Absolutely.
be more frames per second?
Absolutely. There should be. There must be. Because this could be a turning point. These small things, especially a run out and crucial wicket. You don't want to miss that, and especially when you feel that it is 100% out. One visual is clearly saying it is out, and then it is
Yeah,
given not out. Then
yeah,
you either need a conclusive evidence to say that it is clearly not out, or you have to have feeling that it's a neutral umpire and it's given not out. But
yeah.
yeah, you need technology has to improve, definitely. With all the abundance of money and technology, we are still
Yeah.
failing at these things. That is very evident.
And what's with this home
frankly, I
umpires? I
think
mean, if all the players can travel and live in the bio bubbles, why can't we have neutral umpires? So, Mike, your call on this?
yeah, I think this is the same thing which was raised by even Akash Chopra, that why are umpires not in bubble, and that's how you could have a neutral umpire there. And frankly, I don't think there was any more frames needed. It was clearly out to me. It was clear out. Okay, there is no controversy at all. I don't know why how it was given not out. I They say that there was a doubt, and benefit of doubt goes to batsman. But to me, there was zero doubt. It was behind the line, over, rather on the line, right? So anyway, so it happens at times. Usually doesn't happen with third umpires, but it's okay. But good thing is that we didn't lose much because of that. We
Yeah.
still managed to get them out below 200, so that's good. I think another aspect would be Pant. We talked about that he was slower, probably
Yeah.
even with Dimansa and definitely Dhoni. You won't even need another frame there, so this would have happened. However, I think one aspect of Pant, I'm not sure if you saw that match closely enough, that banter has again started, and you can
Yeah,
hear Stumpman, and that's
continuously
very
he was talking.
Yeah.
yeah. And he was talking continuously. At one for once, I thought maybe bowler will get bored or frustrated, but he was
Yeah.
constantly saying something or the other. He was definitely wicketkeeper has one of the best views of how the match is, how the pitch is behaving and everything. He would say Ashwin upar dal, Ashwin idhar kar. Even the wicket of Matthew Wade, he just before that wicket he said, "तू इसको बाहर ही डाल, ये मारेगा ही." He said that, "वो मारेगा ही, तू इसको बाहर ही डाल." And that is what happened, and he got him out. So some
Yeah.
credit has to go to him also. I think he was very good behind the stumps, and constantly he would tell the bowlers, and of course you have Australia, so he can talk anything in Hindi. You don't have to run to the bowler. So continuous chatter, and I won't be surprised if he starts sledging in second innings. Probably it's something I'm looking forward to. So I think the only good aspect of Pant that I have seen so far, and I really think that it contributed to a couple of wickets maybe. So that was good to see. Riddhiman Saha you would never hear him say anything.
He's a gentleman.
I think even if you call him in post-match interview, he'll probably not say anything. So,
Yeah, but I think so, Mayank, this Pant is just trying to mimic Dhoni in terms of giving instructions to the bowler.
Inputs.
But, yeah, but I feel he'll be better off mimicking his style of doing runouts. You know, the way Dhoni used to do it in one single motion without a jerk
Right.
while taking the ball. So that could save a fraction of a second, and probably it
Don't think
saves
he's
the
trying to
matches
do-
sometimes.
Yes.
I don't think he's trying to do Dhoni. Dhoni has played so many matches, and after that, he's doing that. He's just one of those like Kohli was earlier, and he still is to some extent. He just likes to talk and take things head on. He's aggressive. So
Reminds
and
me of
that's what you
those
see.
Nayan
It's not like
Mungia,
he's
Kiran
being
More
captain and trying to do. He was also making field changes. He would say, Ashwin thoda square ja, and you would hear all that on stump mic.
Mhm.
So it was good to see that he was so involved, and I really loved it when I heard him saying things to Ashwin, and I'm like, ye kya Ashwin ko sikha raha hai? And then he takes a wicket. So
Credit to
that was-
Rahane for that actually.
Yeah.
I would doubt if he would do it in front of Kohli.
yeah, that's another aspect. He'll probably just say and not do field changes or tell anything to bowlers. May not be, but he continuously said, well
Yeah,
done, हाँ थोड़ा आगे डाल, अरे बहुत अच्छे, अरे awesome. He would continuously after every ball he would do that. So that's another good aspect.
If he improves his keeping a bit, I mean, then definitely he is an asset. But for a test match, his keeping has to improve a bit. If you've seen against spinners, against Ashwin itself, the ball flew off, you know, and he was not able to even go with the ball, both right and left side. So it's not that he's not his favorite side, but yeah, he was struggling.
Sure.
Mayank has dropped.
Yeah.
They're almost done.
Yeah, and it also brings us to the end of our discussion.
Great session.
Yeah, let's just sign off after Mayank joins.
Yeah. Hopefully he'll join back.
So in all, I think good day for India and good day for Rahane as a captain. So this should give him confidence to move ahead in this series.
Yes. One down, then 36 in the last innings, absence of Kohli, Shami,
Yeah.
and being a captain, a lot of things that he had to manage mentally, and thankfully he didn't show it on the field, and he managed his nerves very well, managed the troop very well. He will be very pleased and proud today that the way he managed things today. But also the Adelaide Test has shown us that one bad innings can turn the match on its head. So we have to be very, very careful.
Yes.
Till the fourth day or the fifth day when we seal the match, we have to be on the toes.
And even tomorrow morning, with the ball being relatively new and with the overnight
Yes.
moisture, the Stark and Cummins will again come back hard at you. So
Hard
you
at
need
you,
the
yes.
ball to be at least 40, 45 hours old before Pant or Jadeja could walk in.
Yes. Hopefully they'll weather the initial storm. I think Gill and this guy has to do a lot of job. Pujara and Gill. Hopefully they'll survive the storm. At least give 10 overs, 15 overs to them, to the bowlers. Possibly then small level of fatigue will start coming in, and then you can only nudge and grudge for just one or two, and then manage your way through at least top 20 overs. See the first session off. That's the only target. No runs required, and then you'll manage. It's never going to go till the fifth day ultimately. So it's better you spend as much time as possible even without runs.
Yeah, and once the ball is soft, you can, of course, hit
Yeah,
it.
you can take. Yes. I think Gill showed today. He was even on Lion. I think he was coming down the track, pushed it for a boundary. So those things will come. I think one short delivery, one loose delivery will come. We just have to take advantage of the wrong ones. and just play to the merit. Hopefully, they will survive the storm. That's the only thing. I think by 7 in the morning, most of the day's play will be over. The
Yes.
critical part will be over by 7. I think Mayank
So-
is joining, not joining. I think.
Yeah, maybe it's okay. We'll sign off. So great to have you,
Yes.
Shashank bhai. It was a pleasure discussing all these
I
points
think
with you.
privilege was mine to join the elite panel of experts. Really enjoyed coming from Bengal. It is always good to give opinion, although you've not batted or played enough. So yeah, pleasure was all mine. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to more sessions
Yes.
as we proceed into the test match.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Sign off.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
We'll sign off.